Maggie. Once again in a different location because I'm dog sitting. Exciting day because all of my R.E.M. Beauty Wicked for Good collection came. I even did my hair for fun. Can I just wear this every day? Looks very nice. This eyeshadow palette is absolutely stunning. High quality. Like these things, everything that came in the collection was really high quality, like heavy. I think I'm most excited to try the blush. I am looking at this like, no, I've already tried 3 different looks and I haven't liked any of them. So I think eyeshadow is ruining my life today, but we will figure something out. I can't decide if I want to use, I feel like I should do a separate look with the liquid eyeshadow. So I'm kind of thinking I should do like the green. Do a like maybe graphic eye kind of vibe. So we'll see if we can do that. We have this little flat angled brush that I think I'm gonna take and do like a graphic eye with the dark green. I think it's called Take Flight. I always get so confused when it's on the back like this. I don't know how to read it. So I could be wrong. I'll put up the name. It's the dark, I'm putting on this one. The first thing we're going to be using is the R.E.M. Beauty Wicked for Good Ozion Forest eyeshadow palette. It has 12 long-wearing and high impact eyeshadow shades of pure pigment that lay down rich, vibrant color with one stroke of a brush. There's vibrant metallics, duochromes, rich matte. This super high quality eyeshadow palette which has a beautiful, stunning mirror. Every color has its own unique quality. On an angled brush, little skinny thing. I haven't done a graphic eye in a while. And we're just gonna follow the line of our waterline, like outline. And do a little, woo, just like that. I used to do these all the time. Like a little 60s, like that. I feel like that's relatively even. Slay. Okay, now that we've gotten the initial shape, we're gonna take a little more on that brush and just kind of like start maybe putting it in the eyeliner, like doing a little smokiness. Just dragging it. So it creates this like blue, like nice fade. And you can keep going in on the corners just to enhance it a little. I actually think I wanna grab a narrow brush, like a little tapered one like this might work. Dab that on and kind of just buff it. Just so it creates this pretty blend. Hello. It's got fallout, but I feel like most eyeshadow does, so I'm not like butthurt about it. It's just do your eyes first. That's usually what I do. Avoids the whole situation. That looks pretty. I'm gonna do that same thing and just kind of run it in the lash line outward. Kind of like you're creating a nice gradient. I'm gonna take that tapered brush again. I have one that's even smaller than this, but this will do. Ooh, cool. I wish the makeup artists, like on set when they do the looks like on Ariana or whoever, they, especially Ariana, I want to see, like there's a look that she did. I think I know how she did it. Maybe she just has better eyelids than I did. But they should film it and like post the get ready with me's too. Because I love seeing a makeup artist do like magic on someone's face. Especially someone's face card as fierce as Miss Ariana. She's got some amazing eyelids. I would kill for that eyelid space. We have similar eyes, but hers are definitely more, I don't even know what to call them, liddy. She's got more lid space. And if you ever feel like you're going too hard and it's creating like not as soft, like a sharp as line as you want, you can just go back, either add more shadow or use that technique to, with a makeup Q-tip or you know whatever. Like I'm gonna do it right now. Get that fallout too, and just be like, helps sharpen it up and clean up that fallout. You don't have to be like a makeup artist genius to be able to do this. Pretty. I think I'm gonna go in, I think it's Embrace Your Inner Green. It's that one that's like a multi-dimensional marble. I'm gonna try to get more of that deeper tone in there and just kind of put it over here. Oh God, that's pigmented. Should I use my finger? I'm scared. Oh my God, yeah, that's cool. These ones are so creamy. Definitely work better with your finger. Most shades like this do though. Loving. And now do I go in with that other tone? Do I want to try this? Do I try it? Yeah, we're taking like the gold one in the inner corner. Just kind of blending it into that green because the tones are similar enough that they blend good. It's kind of almost like a chartreuse goldy green bronze. I don't know how to describe it other than that. You can see it on the eyes. And I have to take the green here and just kind of top it. Enhance that green. Just add some more sparkle. Do we put it in the inner corner too? Let's do it. Very nice, very nice. And I just go back in with that dark green and just kind of re-add that line a little, just to add that sharpness back. Cute, much better. I removed that shimmer on the brow. I was not loving that. It was just too much because there's already so much going on. We're going to apply mascara, lashes, and we'll be back. Just use some half lean lashes from Ione from the Dollar Tree. I think they look fine. I was struggling to put them on because I didn't bring mascara down here with me and I don't want to go upstairs. So that's how it's gonna live. I'm gonna pop on my base and then we'll be back to try the blush. Okay, we're foundation, which we used the R.E.M. Beauty Sweetener Foundation, which is one of my favorites. Powdered with Kosas, contoured with Kaleidos. Now we're gonna open and use the Cherry Blossom palette, blush up these cheeks. And because it's me, I'll probably use all three. A trio of blushes inspired by Glinda's signature Cherry Blossoms and Wicked for Good, with matte, shimmer, and floral look in light and warm pinks. Compared that first matte pink to Skinny Dipped from their like single blushes, and this one's definitely a lighter version of that, so it's not the same. And then that melange, is that how you say it? It's like those ones that are like creamy and have the pearl in the middle, is so pretty. But my favorite shade is that last like duochrome shade. It kind of reminds me of Cheer from Rare Beauty, where it has that like slight purple flip. And we have the R.E.M. Beauty blush brush. Which one do we start with? We'll start with the light pink. Is this doing anything? Oh no, it's very light. And then we're gonna go in the middle marbled shade, because why not? They haven't done a pearly blush yet, so I was excited to see this. Doing that center shade, which is Glimmer in the Sky, and the first one was Perfectly Pink. I have to use this one. It kind of reminds me, maybe that's Lovely. I think that's Lovelier. The shade names, can we just put it on the front? I get confused. And I feel like this is kind of similar to Cheer from Rare Beauty. It's that peachy pink with like kind of a purple flip. I have a feeling I'm gonna be wearing this blush a lot. This one. Wow, it's so glowy. I love it. Let's put a little on my nose, a little on the chin. Very pretty. definitely 10 out of 10 on this. I mean, everything is good. I have no complaints so far of the collection. Lips, we're gonna use EQ. We'll use EQ and the new one. And then we're gonna take that pink lip liner in the shade Toss Toss. I don't love that on this one. It's not the twist up like the other packaging. This is like the ColourPop one where it's like the wax component where you have to sharpen it, and I don't like that, but it's fine. The formula feels creamier than the other formula too. That's the perfect combo. As just the right amount of pink with that like other lip liner. For the lip, we're just gonna put a little of the Glossy Balm in the shade Tap to Bubble. Pretty. Just a little. To apply some of the Interstellar All Over Glow Stick in I Come and Go by Bubble. I've been obsessed with my Fembot one, so I was very much excited to try this out. And then I just dap it. I think this blends the cheeks and just makes it all look so glowy and natural, even though it's not. Like, look how much life that brought back. Just put it on there too. Why not? And there is full look 1. So far, very impressed. 10 out of 10. Find out, we're gonna add the Wicked for Good Poppy Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Pretty as a Poppy. The packaging is really pretty. It has a bit of a spice, but it does die down if you're scared of that. The cap is stunning, and I thought the color was very unique. Very fall coated. Huh. Ooh, perfect for fall and winter, this color. Spicy. Well, that's the first look done. I've already tried the lips together. I've tried the blushes, the eyeshadows, basically tried everything, but besides that liquid shadow. But I think tomorrow I will create another look maybe. Kind of want to add that purple and do like a purple green moment. I think that can be pretty, but don't forget to have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment something nice about either the products, if there's something you wanted, or something you're gonna put on your Christmas list. And if you ever order from R.E.M. Beauty, I would love if you would, in the like notes, say Maggie Myers Makeup sent me from YouTube. She inspired me to buy it. I am manifesting I get on that PR list. I feel like I do pretty good work making beautiful visuals for this brand, so it would be nice to have a little PR package. Like, I've never had one, so manifesting. So if you ever buy anything, do that for me. I would greatly appreciate it. But have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye.